We're back at it with another video. It's about 6:49. My boy Steve, Day One Soup. He get some test runs. Gonna get a lot of action tonight in Mexico. See y'all later. Got a white 5.0. SS6 gen, got the scat pack, got the mirror, got the GA, got another mirror, got the bike. Day1Racing, nigga. You need to delete some shit. Day one out. Yeah. Yeah, how we pull up. Yeah, how we pull up. Yeah, how we pull up. Oh, my nigga Skip in that big body motherfucker. Yes, sir. Don't play with them boys. Y'all in the field? Y'all in the field? They ain't stopped making guns when they made yours. Fuck nigga, fuck you. You know that dude on you. Let me catch your fat ass out in the street. Alright, we leaving. Shut the fuck up talking to me. Bitch.
Fuck with enough, don't know why you keep asking. She on my Johnson, I show her the magic. Asked if we fucking, she said if it happened. All of this rapping, my neck look like basket. Look at my feet, now she wanna take action. So what if her titties is plastic? When we walking, niggas gon' walk the other way. Put my face in there, hope I don't suffocate. Smoking dead homies inside my blunt today. Underlay, bitch, who your shot, do it broad day. Got a ring, make it sing.